AI agents feel scary because the moment that something X, someone is responsible. And most organizations don't know who owns the decisions, who approves the actions, and who absorbs the risk. So leaders always jump to, is this going to replace people? Wrong thinking. Okay. That's not what's happening. What's happening is this: AI agents just expose decision chaos that was already there. So the real replacement for you as a leader, as somebody that runs their own business, AI agents don't replace humans. They replace indecision, delay, handoffs, and meetings that exist because no one owns the call. So if your organization relies on consensus instead of clarity, escalation instead of ownership, then AI agents will feel absolutely dangerous. Not because they're wrong, but because they're fast. And they're moving way too fast and just creating more chaos within your organization. So here's where most companies will fail. I hope you're not one of them. They will deploy AI agents like this. Hey, gang, let's turn it on and let's see what happens. Here's the reality that I really want you guys to absorb. That is reckless, because AI agents don't fail loudly. They fail quietly, but they do it at scale. They send the wrong email. They make the wrong decision. They write to the wrong customer. They create the wrong compliance posture. It's speed without structure, so it's not leverage. That's just risk. You're creating this sea of risk just by turning it on. So here's my take, and the part that no one is saying. You deploy an agent, you have to answer, what decision is it allowed to make? What decision is it forbidden to make? What happens when it's wrong? Who owns that decision? You need to be able to hold somebody accountable, and who owns the outcome. And if you can't answer those, you're not ready for AI at all, like not even close. And that's totally okay. But most companies aren't ready. So what do you do if you're a leader within that organization? You don't start with agents. You start with decisions. And here's the map. AI agents should live inside the system. So this is exactly why I built Torque AI. It helps leadership teams map decisions, clarify ownership, reduce noise, and decide where autonomy belongs. AI agents don't replace the people at the top. They demand better leadership, if anything. If this topic is showing up in your search history, I'm hosting a free live session called the AI Reality Check. I do it every Thursday at noon, and I break down how to deploy AI safely, sanely, and profitably. The link is below, or just link and connect with the community. Here's the deal. AI agents aren't replacing people. They're replacing organizations that never decided how decisions get made. That's the real shift, the quantum shift. And that's your reality check. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, or share, or join one of my free webinars, or join the community, or ask for a free AI audit, or work with us. It's up to you. Good luck. Keep up the good work.